Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important skill of micro teaching, narration skill. I am Dr. Sheetal Devlalkar, Adhyapak Mahavidyalay, Vadgaon Mavel, Pune. In this video of narration skill, we are going to discuss meaning of narration skill, importance of it, components of narration skill, and references for this video. First, we will discuss meaning of narration skill. Narrative skills includes the ability to use oral language to generate original stories, events, and retelling. Telling stories or events requires a complex set of narrative skills, from using vocabulary to organizing sentences in meaningful ways. Effective narrator with his narrative skill helps us to experience the specific event. It creates a scene in front of us. Why narration skill is important? An effective story holds the attention of readers or listeners. Narrative skill help children to learn story structure. Students easily predict what will happen in a story. They understand what they read and build critical thinking skills. What are the components of narration skill? Meaningful language. Try to use language which is meaningful so students understand what you want to tell them. Clear pronunciation. When you tell story, try to pronounce words clearly. Fluency and audibility. When you tell a story, maintain the fluency. Try to tell the story fluently. It should be audible. While telling a story or event, try to maintain tone. If you want rising tone, use it properly. If you want falling tone, which is related with that content, use it properly. Stress on important points. When you tell any story or event, at that time, try to give stress on important points. Proper expressions. While telling a story or event, expressions are most important. So try to give proper expressions. Effective use of teaching aids or experiences or technology. While telling a story or while narration, if you think that any kind of a teaching aid is important, use it. If you want to use technology, use the technology properly. Consistency in the content. Try to maintain the sequence of the content. And time management. Try to manage your lessons within time. Friends, for this video, I use these references. Thank you for watching the video.